Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Patreon account using your Android device. Start by opening the Patreon app on your phone. Now you can log in using one of these methods: your email and password, your Google account, or your Facebook account. So for this video, we are trying to log in through our email address. So kindly fill up this section with your email address. Tap continue. As you can see, your verification code has been sent to my mail address. Let me check that real quick. And tap continue. Once logged in, you'll land on your home feed where you can support creators or manage your own creator profile. And yes, that's how you log into Patreon. Quick and simple. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more handy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.